Hey all you CV vloggers, welcome to Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and as always I have something really exciting to share with you today. Today I'm going to be making a Turkish sharbat that was made in the Ottoman era and is still made in many households today. Now most of you are familiar with watching the Turkish series Ertuğrul and Osman, and have you ever wondered what is that sharbat that they drink? Today I'm sharing with you that special recipe. Now this is a simple, refreshing drink that is mostly served in the summer months and especially Ramadan. This requires a few simple ingredients, so let's get started. A few simple ingredients you will need for this are 1 liter of water. Then you're going to need a mix of cherries, blueberries, plums, some grapes, about 500 grams in total. You're going to need 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves, a few slices of lemon, and 1/3 cup of honey or sugar. We will start by adding in 1 liter of water to the pot. Then add in all the fruits. So it's been 15 minutes boiling and look at this beautiful color. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? So I'm going to leave this for another 10 minutes and then transfer it into another pot. Look at all those fruits just bubbling away. The color is so intense and that smell absolutely fragrant. Okay, it's now been 30 minutes since we've left this to boil. And look, everything is perfect. Look at this color. Oh, I'm happy with this. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to transfer from this pot into another pot with a strainer. Just pour it in. Okay. And then using a masher, just mash that all in. Once you've mashed up all the fruits and there's no water remaining, you're going to remove the sift and transfer this back onto the stove. Add in 2 slices of lemon and your honey. So this is to sweeten the drink. Now, if you're using sugar, you have to keep stirring, making sure that it doesn't crystallize in the pot. Stir this and leave to boil for another 5 minutes and then remove from the stove and cool. So if you are using sugar, you're going to make sure that all the sugar crystals have dissolved before removing it from the stove. Stirring in the honey, it seems fine, so I'm going to remove this from the stove and allow it to cool. Using a finer strainer, I'm going to be pouring this slowly, making sure that there's no smaller bits left over. See what I mean? So remember, this is a concentrated drink and I've just topped it up with some extra iced water. To serve, add in some ice, place some lemon slices. So this is for a fancier alternative. And then pour in your drinks. So doing a taste test, let's see what this tastes like. This is absolutely divine. Spicy, but divine. I love it. Turkish Ottoman Sherbet, made just for you. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy this recipe and share it with your family and friends in summer and especially in Ramadan that is coming up in a few months' time.